I need to make and sharpen some knives, so I will make this jig for a faster and more accurate work. Good day, brothers. I will start by making the holes on the vertical support. The distance between the holes is 6.5 centimeters. The last hole is 8 mm and the others are 14 in diameter. I am using a stepper bit to enlarge the holes. For this part you can use any type of steel you have, square or rectangle tubing. I will drill these holes so I can change the distance between the blade and the vertical support. I don't need this last hole, but if I need it, it's there. The hole here to hold the jig to my table. These holes are for the clamp. Oil makes drilling thick steel much easier. Using a dull tap is a torture. This is new good quality one. Always make sure that the tap is going straight in the hole. This is an old car ball joint. It's what I will use for the controlled side-to-side movement, and you can get them probably for free from any car mechanic shop. Just get it straight as you can by eye, and that is good enough here. This is for attaching the angle grinder. I am using a jam nut for preventing this rod from moving. If you are enjoying the video, tap the like button. And this is how to change the position of the angle grinder. Let's grind and sharpen a knife from this disc. You can use the angle grinder to cut here. I will use the plasma cutter. This is what happens when you work fast, with no planning. A knife without a handle. Anyway, I will demonstrate on it. This blade is at 1.5 mm. It will sharpen fast. The second bevel for stronger edge. If I am making a knife now, I will harden it and finish with this grit before hand sanding.